Hello everyone. My name is Ujjwal Kant, computer science student from SRM IST. Today I am going to present my solution for the Global Air Hackathon, where I designed a complete airport logistics simulation using C++ and data structure and algorithms. This project showcases real-world applications of graph, queue, hash maps, and sorting to solve modern airline challenges. So let's begin with the system architecture. The entire system is modular, consisting of seven major components. First is flight graph and routing engine. Second is shortest path planner. Third is baggage flow system. Fourth is lost baggage tracker. 5. Historical data analysis. 6. Gate allocation system. And the last one is real time monitoring dashboard. All data is loaded from the .dat file. Here we can see these things and processed using STL containers and algorithmic logics. So these are the DAT files, that these are the sample data. So the flight network is modeled as a weighted directed graph. Airports are nodes and flights are edges with weights like cost or delay. I have implemented both Dijkstra and Bellman-Ford algorithms to compute the shortest route between any two airports. So I am just going to run the whole project. So this is the command. Now it will create the .exe file for the whole CPP project. So now it has been run. Now I have to run that executable file, that global air. Now this is the main dashboard which is coming. So these algorithms run efficiently even on the large data set thanks to agency list and priority queues. So let's go with the first flight route planner. It is asking for the code. Let's give as Ma, which is Chennai, then SFO. So now it has given the Dijkstra path as well as the Bellman Ford. So now for baggage handling, I have implemented a priority based queue system that simulates real time baggage sorting. Bags are categorized by type and risk and queued according for efficient handling. So now I'm just going to choose the second option, which is baggage flow system. It is asking for four main things: insert baggage, process urgent baggage, and print all baggage, which is going to be the BST tree. Right now there is no baggage in the dataset, so if I print 3, it is just gonna return nothing. I can insert as well as I can process the urgent baggage from it. Like if I choose 2, like no urgent baggage to process, that's why it is saying null value. Now, in case a baggage is lost, the system uses a doubly linked list combined with a hash map to instantly locate and trace its last known checkpoint. You can also print all lost baggage records. So I need to main menu, then 3 as a lost baggage, then I can trace all the baggage. Currently, for that I need to add the baggage ID. So if I add not found, so first I need to add that baggage. So let's say 45 as the ID name, the passenger name let make as HARY, last check-in point let's add as SFO, then description fragile, then so we can say that baggage with the ID 45 is added at a checkpoint SFO. Now I can see it with the 4 with print all baggage, that the name, ID, and checkpoint location. So now I can also remove the baggage, print all baggage, and we can also trace the baggage. So if I choose option 2, it will trace all the remaining baggage. For that I need to add the ID of that baggage. So it can see that description is fragile, checkpoint SFO, passenger is Harry, and the baggage ID is 45. So now the delay analyzer module. So it loads historical delay data and calculates average delays per airport. This helps predict risk levels for new flights, especially tight connections. So here we can see we have that .dat file for it. These are all the sample data, like only 49 rows, 48 rows. Now I'm just gonna run for it. I need to go back to the main menu and choose the fourth option. So get average delay 1. It is asking for the airport code. Let's give as Bombay, BOM. So it is giving the average delay as 23.8477. These data is according to the sample data inserted in the delay history.dat file. I have handled edge cases like missing data, zero delays, and seasonal spikes. So if I add any airport which is not present in the sample data, it is going to return the zero value. It is not going to face any type of logical or runtime error. Now the gate allocation system module. So flight arriving at a similar time may complete for gates. I implemented a greedy sorting algorithm to assign gates fairly based on priority and timing. So let's go to the again to main menu, then gate allocation system, which is at option 5. So we can add flight, allocate gate, sort or assign, and back to menu. So let's add one flight ID with 785, arrival time minutes, let's say 59, priority give as 2, risk level high. Now we have added a new flight, so I can allocate gates to it. So if I choose option 2, we can see the flight with ID 785, arrival at 59 with priority 2, and risk 3 has been allocated as gate number 1. So if I add another flight, it will assign another gate for it. Let's check for it. I will add again another flight with ID 526, arrival at 41, VIP, risk level as 3, and if I choose, we can see that 526 has been assigned as gate 1 because it is arriving much earlier than the flight 785, and it also has a priority 1. So the sorting logic is flexible, so we can add priority overrides or emergency landing rules easily. Now the real-time monitoring dashboard module. Finally, the CLI-based dashboard aggregates real-time stats like top delays, high-risk flights, and baggage congestion. Though it's terminal-based, the architecture supports external to GUI or web apps. So let's back to the main menu. 6 dashboard. So I can add raw daily, baggage jam, risk flight. So I can add these things with the dashboard option. So if I add, let's give the source as Chennai, destination as Bombay, average delay in hours, let's check, let's give as 0.5. It has been added. We can also add baggage jam, add risky flights or top delay routes. So if I choose option 4, it is showing that Chennai to Bombay has an average delay of 0.5 hours. Now I created synthetic .dat files with over 50 rows to simulate real world load. The code base is structured so new modules like weather integration or real time APIs can plug in easily. Now I am going to show some of the code for it. So this contains .h file for all the modules of it like dashboard, delay analysis. Now the main src file, this is main.cpp. It is importing various .h files from this include folder. This is the gate allocator.cpp where I have integrated all the codes, Sortespa, Dijkstra, everything. Now, this project not only helped me apply core computer science concept but also gave me a taste of real world systems. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to building more such impactful tech solution. Thank you.